Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick little update on my full suspension build on the Intense Spider 27.5. Just a quick unboxing of what I have here. So let's get right into it. What we have behind me in this box is a set of wheels, the 27.5 wheels, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about them and pull them out of the box, get the first look at it. All right, so what we have behind me are a set of Fulcrum Red Fire 5s. Now, Fulcrum is not a really well-known brand, but it is owned by a really well-known brand called Campagnolo. And if you know anything about roadie bikes, you know that Campagnolo is one of the top manufacturers of components for road bikes. And then this is their kind of mountain bike brand. So backed by a really good company, knows their stuff. So let's get right into it. All right, so first impressions of the packaging. Now, this is my first time buying a wheel set, so for my first impressions, this is, to me, pretty good packaging. This little insert here keeps them from rattling around and getting damaged in the box. So I like that. And so let's pull one of them out here. There we go. This looks like the front wheel. Now, so off of the Fulcrum website, the Red Fire 5 is kind of their trail / enduro model. And as you can see here, they are hand built and inspected by an actual person and signed off. So I kind of like that little personal touch there. And just my first impressions, like I said, it's my first wheel set I bought, but feel really solid, and a lot of the reviews I've read, they're very strong, very stiff wheels. So if you kind of like that sort of characteristic in your wheel, then these are the ones that you want. And the combined weight, and this again is off of the factory website, is 1,890 grams. So you know, split that in two, and obviously add a little bit extra weight for the rear. But yeah, 27.5. The external width of the rim is 32 millimeter, and then with a 27 millimeter internal width. So, you know, reasonably wide, not the widest, but to today's standards, they are pretty good. They can accommodate a wheel width of 2 to 2.5. So, you know. And yeah, so there's the front wheel there. So let's get in here and get the rear wheel out. All right, so stop the video there. All right, so there we go. There's the rear wheel. So these wheels, the hub is actually made in-house by Fulcrum. They are labeled with the Fulcrum emblem there. Let's move that out of the way so you can see it. There it is. This has the Sram XD driver on it. All right, and an interesting characteristic with these wheels, kind of uncommon with mountain bike wheels, is the engagement is very quiet. I believe it's a 5-degree engagement. Let me see if I can get close enough here and see if y'all can hear it. I mean, probably not, but if you like that kind of swarm of bees coming at you sound, these are not the wheels for you. But the engagement feels very solid, and it's a pretty quick engagement. These are straight pull alloy wheel spokes, 28 spoke. Again, the hubs are made in-house by Fulcrum, but they have what they call the two-way fit, which is basically just their tubeless ready term. And yeah, so there's first look and first impressions. I like them. I'm super stoked about them. Shout out to my local bike shop for helping me out getting these. Spoke Easy Murfreesboro. If you find yourself in Middle Tennessee, those people are great. Jeremy and JD help you guys out. Super knowledgeable about the industry, and great people. Spoke Easy Murfreesboro. Give them a shout, give them a check. But yeah, so Fulcrum Red Fire 5, owned by Camping Nolo, their Trail Enduro model. Super excited to get these and get these on the build. But unfortunately, just an update on the build itself. I've had some life occurrences, and so the build's going to be a little bit slower than I intended. But as I get parts, I will give you guys an update, give you guys a quick video, and keep you guys posted. I already have a dropper post in mind. My RockShox Reverb actually had a seized part, so I'm kind of forced into getting something, and I'm right now working with a fixed post on my Marlin, which is just a miserable experience from going from a dropper to a fixed again. But yeah, I'm going to get with the one up post, and again, Spokeezy Murfreesboro, they're going to hook me up on that, give me a sweet deal. So like I said, check them out if you find yourself in Murfreesboro or Middle Tennessee. All right, catch you guys later. Appreciate you watching.